Riding lawn mower storage ideas. Are you looking for riding lawn mower storage ideas? Here are some great ideas on how to store your riding lawn mower safely. Riding lawn mowers are big, heavy, and difficult to store, especially when you only use them a few times a year. If storing your mower is a problem, watch this video and discover the best riding lawn mower storage ideas. 5 Best Riding Lawn Mower Storage Ideas. Family Accessories Zero-Turn Lawn Mower Cover. This durable cover protects your lawn mower from the elements, and it also works as a storage compartment when not in use. The heavy-duty 600 denier waterproof material is tear and abrasion resistant. YardStash 3 Sheds and Outdoor Storage. The YardStash 3 is a heavy-duty, portable bike shed tent that will protect your bikes and your lawn mower from the elements. YardStash 3 is the best portable riding lawn mower shelter you can buy. It is designed to provide protection from wind, rain and snow. Factor Outdoor Shed for patio furniture. Protect your lawn mower from the elements with this weatherproof shed. It's built with polypropylene resin plastic and steel reinforcement for long-lasting durability. The resin plastic finish resists rust and other outdoor elements for years of use. This shed easily mounts to most patio or lawn furniture with included hardware. Rubbermaid Large Plastic Vertical Resin Weather-Resistant Storage Shed. Perfect for storing lawn mowers, bikes, and other outdoor gear, this large shed keeps things clean and organized. Made of durable, vertical-oriented resin with a sandtone finish, this shed offers maximum weather resistance to help protect against the elements. Shelter Logic Shed in a Box, all-season steel metal peak roof outdoor storage shed. This is the shed you have been waiting for. This shed is perfect for storing all of your outdoor toys and equipment. It features heavy-duty reusable auger anchors and a waterproof cover to keep out the elements. The peak roof design gives this shed an elegant look, making it a great addition to any backyard. The Shelter Logic Shed is a great option for those who want a safe, weatherproof place to store all their yard and garden tools and equipment. Check the links in the description for details about each product. And please remember to like the video, comment and subscribe.